One of my neighbors has created the loveliest entrance to his or her property, and it's so fun to go past now. And it's interesting that he or she has put the sunflowers in the back of the property. Let me come in a little bit closer. To so many people, the sunflower represents happiness and joy. And when my children were little, my lullaby to them was the song "You Are My Sunshine," and I think of that, of course, with the sunflower. So I thought you would enjoy seeing this. You might want to paint it. Is that just so happy? It's waving in the breeze. So I hope you've enjoyed this moment in the country. I'm going to come over here and see these pretty lavender that are just in the middle of everything here. So pretty. Bye now.